where can I send my instrumentals to get sold? Is Fiverr a great place? Every place is, anywhere you can sell your music is a great place. I think, however, you guys are really slipping on Instagram. Inside, for my Music Millionaires, let me tell you guys, inside of the Music Millionaires course and then the website, you can go on there now, and there's an Instagram course, 2.5 hours Instagram course showing you guys how to master Instagram and using Instagram to make it. Let me explain something to you. I can't make this up. My son on Instagram, my son, he just went outside. When I was talking to him, brought me the water. My son makes $3,000 a week on Instagram. Can't make that up. I wish I could make that up. My son makes $3,000 a week on Instagram. And that's not putting his business out there. And so he'll make easily $500 in a day. So you guys are really slipping on Instagram, 100%, man. I mean that. Okay, so now PK says, so I've not been focused on my music until the age of 33. So I've only started recording in the studio, from the studio, and started releasing now. Oh, you know what I mean? Listen, you're in your prime, bro. You know what I mean? You're good. Now stop. Listen, y'all stop making age a factor. Age only becomes a factor when you feel age is a factor. Stop worried about your age. If you're making great music, if you're making great content, that's all people care about. Great music, man. Don't worry about being 33, bro. Let's go. At 33, you done got some shit out your system. You got a little bit more experience. You're able to sit back and look at all the success stories, seeing what other people did. Take that and evolve it and make it your own. William Sponsor, do you know of any good promo companies in the UK for independent artists? Yes, you. Yes, you. Stop listening. Stop being willing to pay other people what you could do for yourself. Stop. You could do it yourself. Promotion is just that. My son, you pay my son, he'll promote you. That's how he get paid. So, you know, and it doesn't matter whether you're in the UK or anywhere, you know what I mean? Promotion is promotion. You guys got to do it. And I apologize if it's not the answer that you wanted, but we have to get out of the mindset of being dependent on other people's platforms. We have to get out of the mindset of doing that, because you're able to do it. And the proof is in other artists who do it. Chance the Rapper, all these independent rappers and musicians who just build a team. Build you a team. Get you guys a team of people, other people that do this, people who are interning, they want the opportunity to promote and market. They're going to school for this, and they want you to be a part of their bio and their success story. It's there, guys. You got to do it, man. You got to do that. New York is one of the meccas to music, and your thing should be, matter of fact, if most of you are not signed up, if you haven't released music first and then signed up with the Grammy members of your area, you need to do that. Start attending these events, you know, these shows and events and things like that. Start getting out there, man. You'd be surprised when you start attending these events, especially in New York, and all of it music related. That networking is what you want.